You want to learn how to lose 60 pounds in 6 months because you're like, I got 6 months before this thing and I need to lose the weight, and I'm here to help you with that because I lost 160 pounds with no loose skin. Mom's lost over 100 pounds with no loose skin.
We've helped thousands of women to reclaim their health and vitality. And what's happening in 6 months? Bathing suit season, June, is in 6 months. So what are you gonna do today to build that really fabulous future? Because we want this June for you to feel confident in your bathing suit. We want you to feel like you can actually step onto a beach and not be totally mortified.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on, it's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
The first thing you actually have to do is get busy. Get busy not eating. Did you notice something about skinny people? They're constantly moving their body. They're constantly walking, running, exercising, they're tapping their leg, they're doing something. They don't really eat you don't see them eating all day because they're not eating all day.
Or, I mean, it's called NEAT, right?
Energy expenditure.
It's actually, so we've been studying skinny people. We find them fascinating, like they're some kind of exotic creature. But what we do notice is sometimes they do eat all day, but they just eat like a bite here and then they walk around for 10 minutes and then they eat another bite and they walk around for 10 more minutes and then they eat another bite and then they walk around for 10 more minutes.
This brings me to another point, and I'd love to challenge the audience. If you're watching and you've got weight to lose, try this. Try eating 3 meals a day. No snacking. And when you eat those meals, no sugar, no flour, of course. When you eat those meals, chop your food up into really small bites and take a bite and chew for 30 seconds per bite. You might go insane. I've definitely gone insane.
It's really tedious.
Very tedious, but that is something that I also see skinny people do while we're on the topic of getting skinny. So I'd like to see if you guys try that. Try it. Come back to this video and comment down below what happened. Did you get angry? Did you throw your food away? Did you scarf the whole plate down? I'd love to hear.
10 pounds a month. If you want to lose 10 pounds a month, I mean, that is Ozempic worthy, right?
You could lose more than that if you got really serious.
I think 10 is a really safe, doable number. And you have to work hard. And that's why what you're going to need is commitment. And everyone can say, yeah, commitment. Yeah, I'm committed. No. I mean, stop negotiating. Stop saying, oh, I can have a little bit of flour or I can have a little bit of sugar. And the thing is, you might not know better. Okay, fine. Then you have to learn. You should join our Heal Your Hunger program and we will educate you on all the nuances of what's in the salad dressings, how much salad dressing you should use, when you should be eating, when you should stop eating, what you need to do to heal your hunger, like your gut microbiome from the inside out. You really do need to learn. If you don't know how to cook and make delicious food at home, you are risking your health and your life. And so ultra-processed foods, flour and sugar, you have to stop negotiating with these foods. These are dangerous foods. And you might think I'm crazy. Who is that crazy lady? Why is she saying that? You can comment down below. I would like to know. Because, now that rhymed. Sorry.
Comment down below because I would like to know.
No, seriously, I really do. Because some people think, well, that's probably the reason why your daughter got so overweight is because you're such a fanatic. You're such a health neurotic. I mean, she couldn't have junk food in the house, and you're the reason why she got to be so fat. Well, I take responsibility for that.
And I tell her to stop taking responsibility for that because it was my fault for eating the food, and I take full accountability for what I put in my mouth. And you should quite frankly do the exact same.
And both of those things are true, but it's hard to be a parent and buy the food or not know that your kid's throwing their healthy lunch out and trading it for crap or stealing money to buy crappy food and so on and so forth. I mean, this is a very complicated topic. And that's
the point is, get rid of your flour and sugar. All of it. When it's in everything, go read your labels and throw it away and give it to your friend or give it to the homeless person. Do something with it. Do not consume it. Because the more you consume it, the fatter you're getting.
Well, and no, also the more your neurobiology is turning into an addict. I mean, that's the truth. You don't want to be an addict. You don't want to be a victim. You don't want to be, at the grips of this food. It is truly addictive. That's the point.
There's a difference between losing weight and going to lose weight to look beautiful, healthy, and vibrant. And if you want to go to the point, beautiful, healthy, and vibrant, very elegant woman, that's how you want to look one day, that requires more than 10,000 steps a day. And I'm just being honest with you guys because I need to be honest with you guys because the people who say, oh, you can lose weight and do less than 10,000, there's a thing called flabby skinny. I don't want that for you. I want you to be beautiful and thin and healthy. So that means walking more than 10,000 steps a day and working out. Walking is not exercise, although if you're like 400 pounds, 500 pounds, it's a great start. It is not the end all be all. That's just my experience.
Yeah, well, that's why we called our company Step It Up, because it's like wherever you are, step it up.
Yep.
And we have members in our group. Some girls have lost 30 pounds. Some girls have lost over 100 pounds. And they're all tight and lifted. So it's not just us saying this. It's not just Penelope because she's 21 or me. And I'm 30 years older than her. So, it's not about genetics, it's not about age, it's actually a method that works, and we're here to teach you this method. The other thing that might surprise you is that if you give up, you might not believe this, but fruit juice and fruit smoothies, I know, I'm telling you, like, it's a thing. But when we stop drinking fruit juice and even regular juice that doesn't have fiber, and we stopped drinking fruit smoothies, something happened, and we started losing more weight. It was interesting. We were plateauing, and then we got rid of these foods, and boom, 5 pounds came off. So if you really want to get serious about your weight loss and you want 10 pounds a month off, you've really got to prioritize fiber and stop drinking smoothies and drinking fruit juice or even like carrot juice. I know it's healthy and I know it's delicious. Apple juice, apple cider, forget about it. Stick to water. And eat whole foods that are high in water content. I'm telling you, it is going to change your life.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below something you learned or something you'd like to learn more about. Don't forget to share this video with someone you think really needs to hear this message. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you all the time.